This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Up today we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin I noticed setting up this morning here on the 15-minute chart. These yellow lines that you see here, this is the pre-market opening structural range for my trading window here for the New York Open. And we can see here we get right here in this candle we get a break of structure here where actually let's back up and make sure. So we have selling here, and then we have buying, and in this candle we get a market structure shift here. So here we get a market structure shift when this level is closed above here. We get a market structure shift where selling was occurring. There was more selling. Actually, let me back up again because there was a very large range this morning that was set yesterday here. Here's the range for Bitcoin. Actually, the range is an uptrend. This was the short here. Then it went short again here. Let's detail the price action here. So short here, pulls back, short here, and then pulls back here. And then this creates a market structure shift here. Where it was trading short, now it's trading long here, and it's still in an uptrend here. And then in this candle here we do get the break of structure here. Usually price action and structure changes more frequently than this, so I just wanted to back up and make sure that my first answer was correct. My second answer was incorrect there. So yes, we have this break of structure here, which would trigger a potential trade idea. Let me take this Fibonacci retracement tool off here, and then let me put a Fibonacci retracement tool up for this particular trade idea. So I've made some adjustments to my system today based on this particular trade, and now we'll be trading a bit differently here. So with this, I want to look for more confirmations in my trades. So with this trade idea, getting a break of structure in the trading range would trigger a potential trade. I would look for pullback previously in this 79% area here, which I did this morning. I made 3 attempts on it based on this stop level here. Based on this stop level here, I believe this stop level here, and maybe one back here. But I tried 3 different trades to go long. Definitely was not on my psychology today. Was definitely trying to do too much, definitely more than what the market was offering. So when this happens, this also creates, with this break of structure, we get a new structural range set up here on the 15, and then based on how I'm trading currently, when this price action fails here, this trade would no longer be valid for me, so I would remove this and would never enter because I never got a confirmation on the continuation to the long side here, and then had the trade fail. When the trade fails here, then this creates a market structure shift here. So here we had the break of structure here, which was a continuation, and then with this we get a market structure shift, which would signal a potential reversal back to the downside. So with this market structure shift, this would also trigger a potential trade, and this is also occurring within my trading window here. So looking at this, I would set the Fibonacci retracement tool up as it was previously here, and then I would look for price action to retrace back to equilibrium, which would be this 50% mark. So it does so here in this candle here. So in this candle here, with it reaching equilibrium, now I would be looking for an order block to be formed, and then for that order block to be validated. So what we have here on this pullback is a potential order block here, but this candle right here, for me, invalidates this order block because price action does not validate this order block by trading below this level here. So what happens on this candle here is the order block is invalidated. Then another candle comes in here. Actually, I need to remove this. Okay, there we go. Then this candle comes in, and now we start to get selling here, and then once we get this candle that closes below here, this to me would trigger a validated order block, with this bigger order block likely being validated along the way here down here. Just looking for the order block on the 15-minute, which may be one candle or multiple candles. This is likely the order block here on the 60-minute, where this would be the order block here on the 15-minute. But if I were to take the order block there at the 15-minute, I would want to trade down to twice the distance of this Fibonacci retracement. So I would likely have been looking at an entry or an exit somewhere in this candle here, right about here would be 2 times the Fibonacci. I did not trade this way today. As I mentioned, I took 3 trades to the long side once this break of structure happened, and then when this short came in, potentially, from a psychological standpoint, I had already come unglued here, put on some size here, had to withstand pullback or drawback here, and then getting the sell-off, and then this target here was based on a low from a few days ago. But now incorporating some previous trading strategy that I've used along with my current system. So basically, instead of taking a trade and trying to get pullback, for instance, this trade trying to get a deep pullback before a sell-off, now I'm just trying to get confirmation based on price action. So getting a pullback and not being certain on whether or not you'll get pullback, or even if you do get pullback, it may not be pullback and may go against you. So just looking for price action to go up into the range. Anywhere in the range here, it could turn around. So what I'm looking for is equilibrium to be reached, to where the discounted price is here, waiting for a premium price to be offered, which is here at equilibrium. And then look for an order block and a validation of that order block, which you get here on the 15, and then probably here on the 60. And as you can see, price action consolidates a little bit after this selling, and then another aggressive selling leg here on the 15-minute. But I was able to get some profits today, even though I did not trade very well. Things worked out from a profitability point in my favor, but the next time I would likely not be as fortunate. Let's have a look at my tickets. So here's the first trade, 747 out 751, lost about $33. Next trade, 753 out 754, about $36. As you can tell from the time frames, these trades were not very good at all. Next trade, 759, 802, out $35 here. And then I take these short positions here at 803, 803, and 804. And they close out at 1213. And then coming in at 230, 110, and 235 here. So all in all, for risk management, things worked out pretty good. but definitely did not trade discipline today, and will need to work on that. Hopefully, with the adjustments that I've made to my system, the psychology part will be helped out. I've definitely been taking on more losses recently than I think psychologically was healthy for me. So with the way that things are looking now, there'll be fewer opportunities, but a higher probability of success. So this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. We'll see you next time.